said in Exodus 14:13 that the Egyptians you see today, thank you very much. Those Egyptians, you will see them no. You will see them no more after now. Last weekend, they went for a Thanksgiving party. Are you hearing me? They went for a Thanksgiving party and was bragging that they wish tomorrow is 2027. With you, can they win 2027? With this crowd I'm seeing, can they win 2027? They were bragging, they wish if tomorrow is 2027. As if they won in 2023. Labour Party won all their. We know how we did it. It happened. Chijoke told us that he's one of them that assisted them. Now they went to tie, was bragging that they wish tomorrow is 2027. We too will wish tomorrow is 2027 so they will see our performance. So they will see how we could perform. Do you know when the glory has departed from a man, do you know what the man will do? When the glory has departed from a man, do you know what that man will like to do? The man will attend burials. He will attend child education. He will attend naming ceremonies. He will attend Thanksgiving. He will attend birthday parties because the glory has departed from the man. Now the glory is upon the governor. The glory is upon our. There must not be two leaders at a time. It's always one leader at a time. Orderly, former governor orderly hand over to someone, isn't it? I will mention his name. Rotimi Amechi, former governor. Rotimi Amechi hand over to another person. That name is not a bad luck. When it is a bad luck, don't mention that name. That is a bad luck. When Amechi hand over to that person, he allowed me to rule, isn't it? 4 plus 4, he did it 8 years, he was happy. And I see those Hyper City, everything, the whole Port they want to buy and finish. Oh no, see them? They want to buy the whole Port finish. Port are their own. I want to thank honor for this work. We have made them come. They said 2027. They are ready for us. We are also ready for. We are also ready for. Are you ready for them? He can only do something in Obiakwa, not Ogubolo. He can only do something for Obiakwa, not Asaritoro, not in Okereka, not in other Ikwere. Even in Obiakwa, is your unit alone. No, yeah. So I tell that madman, making it a brag. He told people, one man was going about telling people that I bought from for everybody. I bought from for everybody. One man, I don't know his name, one man. Ask him, where was his last place of work? As he finished school, where was the last place of? Where do you work last before you become a local government chairman? Tell the people, look, for local government chairman is government money. From government money to government money. So if you use government money to buy tickets for people, is it your money? No. Why are you telling people that you bought from for people? Is it your money? No. My woman, governor said I should tell you, you have no problem. I will deliver what is sent to me. The communicate our mother, Mrs. Professor Mrs. Konya read here, I will deliver it to the appropriate quarters. And I must assure you that you will not regret coming out today. You will not regret coming out to support our governor. This is just the beginning. By the time we get to Malachi, they will know where we are. This is George Genesis. By the time we get to Malachi, they will know that there are people. So I want to thank all of you for agreeing to follow the leadership without question, without asking them where we're going to. I want to tell you that the leadership will recognize you. In as much as you have your own leadership in every government areas, you must be recognized. You will not regret supporting SYM.